Hi fellow viewers to everybody. Good afternoon. Actually, it's already lunchtime. Past lunchtime. So I will say good afternoon. By the way, my name is Steve Hoong. I'm your world's famous necrologist. Is uploading another necrological video. This time it's here in the Philippines. I will use two languages. First is English. Second is Tagalog. Uh, except except Pampango, that is found in the province of Pampanga because that's their dialect. By the way, yes, I know what you're thinking. Who is this person? Why did I say Pampanga? Okay. Actually, she's a Filipino female. She's not a singer. She's just only an ordinary person. I'm referring to Ma'am Remedios Kapati Gahunera. That is her full name. Actually, she was born on May 29, 1958. Unfortunately, she just passed away last December 11, 2024 at age 66. Siya po ay yung namatay siya that time, dinala pa siya sa funeral itong Holy Mary Memorial Chapels. Matatagpuan ta sa Rizal Extension, Katkat, Angeles City, Pampanga. Yung Katkat, yan yung barangay. So, meron doon silang death records. Tapos, nailibing na siya last December 15, 2024. Ang sinabi pa sa akin, ito ang instruction niya sa akin, yung friends niya, na yung mga kakilala or kamag-anak, nailibing na po siya noong December 15, 2024, alas 9 pa ng umaga. Umaga siya nilibing sa Holy Mary Memorial Park. Itong Holy Mary Memorial Park at Holy Mary Memorial Chapel ay iisa po ang may-ari. The same din, Angeles City, Pampanga. So, yun na po. So, I hope na itong necrological video na intindihan nyo at nasabi ko, yan yung pinaka-important details. Nandun yung name ng Memorial Chapel at ng cemetery. Sa Angeles City, Pampanga po siya namatay. By the way, ito ay, sa aking record, ito ay obituaries or Philippine Obituaries 2024. Doon lalabas sa description ko po. By the way, before I say goodbye, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for my next necrological videos. Thank you so much for listening in this video. Good afternoon. Thank you and God bless.